I got wood. Please, I'm an engineer. I solve problems. Michael had a problem, so I solved it.
I didn't have any walnut. I mean, what do you do when you run out of walnut? That's like running out of oxygen.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fair, yeah. Who doesn't like some nice walnut?
I've had an idea kicking around in my head for a while for just a fun personal project I've been dying to make on the CNC router. And today's an exciting day because I have the shop to myself and I'm gonna get started. It's gonna be a popcorn bucket with solid panels of maple and red resin. Once I had my design finished, I was really excited to head over to the big machine shop to get it running. But when I got there, the entire CNC router bed was covered with slabs of wood. I have no idea why these are here.
No! I love nice wood.
Like I was doing something today with the CNC router. Like where?
Then why did you put all this walnut here?
I did not put this walnut here. Where did this come from?
I don't know, it's just here.
It seems as though Michael had a very good night last night. So why do we have this?
I am making a dining room table.
Does it require this much walnut?
Probably not. Brooke was pretending to be all upset about the walnut, but we all know she loved it.
It was pretty nice, and I like nice things, so.
Who doesn't like some wood?
It's nice, it's pretty. Yeah. But it still needed to go. We can't store it here.
It needs about 4 weeks in the drying room, and the drying room is full.
Okay, so wait. Where are we gonna put it? Do we have space in the drying room?
No. That's why it is here. Slab sale. Slab sale. All right, so we're doing a slab sale because Brooke says I have too much wood.
This is nice.
Like that's a thing. Too much wood. We're sorting through the slabs. We got big wood, little wood, lots of wood. And Brooke's shirt is on backwards. I wasn't sure if it was a fashion statement because with Brooke, like, you just never know.
My shirt was on backwards the entire day and no one said anything. Michael never said anything.
Really threw off the workflow. Yeah. So how do we know that a slab is ready to sell? Well, we measure the water content, and if it is above a 9, we put it in the not ready yet stack. If it is a 9 or below, it's ready to sell. As we went, I took the opportunity to write on them what type of wood it was, because way less confusing to do it when it is coming out of that initial stack.
So we took the wood from the wood room and then put it into another room.
And added bonus, nice open space to put my walnut in the wood room.
It was a lot of heavy lifting, but well worth it, because after that point, the CNC bed was clear and I could finally work on my popcorn bucket. As we were moving the wood around, I found a perfect maple slab that I swiped off the side for myself to do this with, because it was perfect for it. And to start this project off, I am planing this slab completely flat.
And I turn around for like 30 seconds to price a board, and I turn around and she's gone. Where is Brooke?
I'm in the zone right now. I'm vibing with the machines. I'm feeling the sawdust. And once I have the slab completely flat, I can start carving in the channels that are going to eventually hold the resin. Pouring resin into things, it's pretty nice. It's the maker's meditation, really. It flows and it glistens and it fills up crevices like nothing else can. Very nice. 10 out of 10, highly recommend it.
Where is Brooke? Not here. That's all I know. Brooke! It was a lot of work, but I did it. I have a good work ethic. Unlike some people who will remain unnamed but have tendencies to follow their whims.
And as the resin started to harden, I could slowly see my vision coming to life.
It's all good. Keeps life interesting, I suppose. Good thing I like wood. Nothing wrong with an afternoon sorting through some wood. I just can't emphasize enough how much I love wood. big wood, little wood, soft wood, hardwood. I just love wood. Big hardwoods are probably the best though. But I don't discriminate.
It's the best feeling in the world to get to go in the shop and just let the work consume you. And then tomorrow's gonna be the slab sale, which I'm really excited about. So it's gonna be like a second great day in a row.
So by the end of the day, it was a lot of work that I was left alone to do. And by the end of the day, I thought to myself, you know what? I'm done. I didn't even want to sell this wood. I'm not gonna go tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep in.
First in the morning, so I headed over, and Michael had already done a really great job getting the inside of the shop looking great and ready to go for the sale, so I figured that I would handle the outside of the shop. So I just put some of the scabs and offcuts out there on some tables and tried to make it look nice-ish. And at this point though, I was wondering where Michael was. I thought he was right behind me, but he hadn't shown up still. Where is Michael?
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? I know.
Just kidding, I did go, because I'm that kind of guy. I even helped the first customer load his big pieces of wood onto his car. What a great guy. I'm talking about me, not him. He was okay too, but great guy. So, as the day went on, something magical happened. Partway through the day, people started coming to the sale with balloons. Tents started to appear. A band started playing, and the community really came together around this slab sale. It was really amazing. There were bubbles, there were sausages, there was fried dough!
There was a street fair happening the same day as the slab sale. Michael seemed a little bit confused about that, but I didn't say anything.
And the whole town came out to celebrate these trees that had fallen.
He was having a great day.
It was a really magical day.
Who wants to take that from him? I wasn't gonna take that from him.
I had some fried dough. I ate it on one of the pieces of wood.
Next time at Maker's Workshop.
I love deliveries. It's like a show.